How is this possible? I'm 90. I'm pregnant.
That doesn't make sense. I'm infertile, Kelly.
Since when?
Since forever. You were there when the doctor told me.
I'm sorry to say, Mr. Red, but you're infertile.
You knew I couldn't have kids.
I'm sorry. Please don't do this.
I can't believe you after all these years. Get out!
You're doing fine. Stay with me. I need to see who you are. You're not now. I need to call him. I can't do this alone. I don't have anyone to help me with him. He's just come. Oh, you actually came.
You sounded like you needed me.
Thank you. I don't know what happens next.
I don't know either, but we'll figure it out.
So, this is our new home.
Yeah, I guess it is.
How about these O's?
Oh, yeah, sounds good. Sorry.
He's starting to copy me.
Yeah, that might be.
Keep going. Don't look down.
You're going to scare him.
He's fine. He's got it. Wait, hold on.
Hello, doctor?
I finally found you. We need to talk. Not here. Come to the hospital.
Why do you need to go? Who was that?
I don't understand the problem.
We are fine. You don't need to go. Where are you going?
I am an orange. The doctor's words matter to me.
Oh my God. This is bad.
This is not the right time.
Your husband was admitted to our hospital. While he has been here, we examined him. And we found something unexpected. He could have children.
How? Then whoa! Why do I have an orange?
Did you have a relationship with Orange?
Yes? No, I don't remember. I'm old. I could have forgotten. He is the only orange I know.
The problem is, this is not your child.
Subscribe for part 4.
How is this not my child?
I understand this is not normal, but I don't have an explanation. You need to check the maternity hospital. That's where you will find answers.
I don't understand. Why didn't the orange want me to go? Could the orange really be involved?
What did the doctor say? What happened?
It's nothing. Everything's fine.
Send him away, far away, so no one finds him.
He knows something I don't. He's hiding it.
I need the truth! Dr. Mangalina! Stop! Stop! Get back here! Everything will be revealed in the next part! Subscribe!
Where is my child? What did you do? Don't hurt me. I'll tell you everything. 6 years ago, the orange paid me. He told me to switch your baby. Why would he?
My dear, I think she knows. We might be exposed.
We had a child. The orange took him.
Our child. We have to find him.
Where is our child?
You're still alive? I didn't expect to see you here.
Where is our child? Talk.